today, I'm not sure if I'll put it in the title. Not too interested in clickbait. But what we're doing, got a notification Instagram a few days ago from old WhistlinDiesel. If you know who he is. Guy a bit younger than me, does YouTube videos, got over 4 million subscribers. His thing is destruction and mockery of stupid things. So the Instagram post, meetup, which is today, 29th October, in Plymouth, Indiana. So we're gonna head down. I've never been able to meet up. He's had these before. You know, he did when he's going through this whole court thing with the splashing. And, you know, but that's down in Tennessee. I live in Michigan. He still owns property in Indiana, northern Indiana. I'm not going to post where his property is. He has enough issues without the 5 people that subscribe to my channel that might live close to him. So, but I've seen the videos of, you know, his meetups. He gets these truck meets. It's a lot of people making a lot of noise. So you know, it's about 2.5 hour drive for me to get down there. It's over the weekend. And his request was as many people as possible. Can we meet up? He mentioned something about cash. Maybe some people are coming in for cash. Most people are going to go there just to see him. I mean, for all we know, we got to pay him to meet him. Because all it said was cash is involved. $20. Shake WhistlinDiesel's hand. That's probably not the truth, but you know, I don't do these things that much. I drive truck. I'm over the road. I get to see some cool stuff. You don't get to meet that many, you know, content creators. I try to make my own content, some informative things. I'll let you get a little look at certain parts of driving truck. So we're gonna go. About 15 minutes into the drive. We're gonna roll on. First thing we get to deal with is traffic. Right lane closed. No one running up the right lane just yet. But I'm not in a truck. Ha. We keep going. Yeah, people burning out, doing things. We just had a guy peeling out over here, and hey, see all the smoke? Stinks. long and now short of it. The basic plan was to meet up, try to get, he made up 15,000 of these flyers, which state a $500,000 reward, information leading to the conviction of the people responsible for stealing his father's 1999 John Deere 250 skid loader, August 15, 2007, 15 years ago, near the intersection of Indiana 331 and Indiana 10 near Bourbon, Indiana. There's a VIN number on there. For more information, you can visit WhistlinDiesel's YouTube channel. There's 2 or more men, age 33 in 2022, suspected in possession of a 3500 pickup and a trailer. So, I mean, if you guys are interested in the money, I kind of want it, you know, 40 years old now. I've had things stolen from me. I've had things stolen from my father. He had snowmobiles stolen from him. Honestly, don't even want to go through the list of all the things that have been stolen from him. He's worked hard for what he's got, and people take advantage and try to do things the easy way. So Cody's just trying to get his dad's stuff back. So if I can do even a small part to try to help, that's what I'll do. Anybody watching this, any thoughts? I got a suspicion that this equipment is probably stuck in a barn somewhere. If it's not scrapped, it'd be a tough go to try to get this thing back. If you can find it, cool. If you happen to be the one, if money is your motivator, money is a big motivator for a lot of people, or the kindness of your heart, if you've seen anything, I know it's been a while, but you know, this is a piece of equipment that was sitting out. The keys weren't in it. They managed to get it started and, you know, brought a trailer in, backed up to it, and loaded it. You can go to WhistlinDiesel's channel and find the videos for it. It's been a few months now. He thought he had it. He had good tips. He went out to Kansas to try to locate it, and it ended up not being the one. So that's it for this video. It wasn't, you know, I got in there, got to the meet. I actually saw him pull up, and you know, I thought I videotaped. Rookie mistake. I must have just been on camera, but I didn't even find a picture that I had taken of him when he first pulled up there. So I got to see him a few times. I'm not the type of person that's pushy and is going to push through all those people. You get up there, I had to shaking his hand if he gotten close to me, but I'm not. I'm okay standing back. So we got there, we got to see him. You guys didn't get to see him much in the video. You know, so what ended up happening, he brought, I think he said he brought like $10,000 up there. He didn't expect more than 20 or so people to show up. It ended up being probably around 500 people. So he wasn't going to hand out whatever is $10 each person, 10, 20 bucks each person. What he requested was if people really needed the money, like I didn't need the money, I'm okay not getting 20 bucks into my pocket. But if you needed it, come up, he'll shake your hand, give you 20 bucks. He said, I'll take a picture. He said it multiple times over the megaphone. I want to take pictures with every single person here. Unfortunately, most of the people, they grouped up in front of him. They shook his hand, took pictures with him, and stood there. You know, it makes sense. Take your picture, shake his hand, say, hey, if you want it, you're 20 bucks, grab, move on, back up, let some other people get in there. Like I said, I'm not going to push my way up. It was cool. You got to see him in person. I got to see him for a few moments here and there. I saw him pull out at the end of this, when you see him pulling up to the light with the dry van with the information, there's a day cab pulling the truck or the trailer out. And the actual vehicle right behind that, the Ford Edge, looked like an Edge. The black Ford Edge he was in that. He was driving that. But you didn't get to see it. I screwed up. I apologize. But that was just my little It was Saturday. I didn't have anything else going on. I made a trip and a video of it. So if you enjoyed part of the video, support Cody WhistlinDiesel. Subscribe to his channel on YouTube, Instagram. Subscribe to my channel, Speedy Trucking. Hit the like button. Share my videos. Maybe somebody else out there might like it. Until next time, be safe.